Howdy folks, Zach Smith, Pest Dude. Hey, in the Pest Dude Labs. I'm off the clock and I'm working for you because Monday through Friday I've got a pest control business in the Bay Area, and then the rest of the time I'm answering questions that I get from callers, so to speak, from around the nation because our marketing is putting us out there, but we can't come to you. So we started the Pest Dude channel so that we could give you the information you need to use pro-grade products like we do with pro-grade results, because a lot of people are not getting the results. So we are talking about Advion Cockroach Gel, okay? I got the label out here. This is the package when you get it in the mail, and this is the syringe fully ready to go. It comes with a plunger and a tip, all right? So what do we do with this stuff? Well, when you're trying to maintain a cockroach problem, and when you got the majority of it kind of knocked out using other products that we've recommended in other videos like non-repellent sprays, flushing agents, vacuums, get rid of the conducive conditions, and you're trying to get maintenance because you got it pretty well under control, we put little dollops, okay, little drops. This is gonna, you squeeze this, little bit comes out the tip. Drop, drop, drop. Label says about 3 to 5 drops per 10 linear feet. A little goes a long way, folks. The cockroaches will come out and feed on that. They'll go back in their hiding places and die. Their neighbors will eat the dead bodies and you'll get some transfer effect, okay? Think where your cockroaches are, not where your children and pets are. Do not put this where your dog, cat, or kids can come by and eat it or handle it, okay? That's important. Where your protective equipment, read the label. It'll tell you everything you need to know. But we use this stuff in part of a cockroach maintenance program. We spray a non-repellent, if appropriate, underneath the cabinets, up in those kind of crevices, because when the cockroaches come to and fro, they will step in that product. It will kill them later. But the bait's a good way to go for long-term control. If you've just got a light cockroach problem, bait's all you need. Just bait and wait, okay? Follow the label. It'll give you all the instructions that you do need. If you have questions, please contact me either through comment sections on the video or go to pestdude.com and you can contact me there. I want to hear your questions. I want to hear what you're struggling with so I can give you feedback. I don't charge for this. I'm just trying to help out, okay? Check out our links in the descriptions for the products we recommend, and check out our other videos on pests that are bugging you. Pest Dude, just trying to help out. I've been doing this for 15 years. Many people tell me they're struggling when they try the do-it-yourself method. It's because one part is missing from your program, and I'm here to try to help figure that out with you so you can do it yourself successfully, or at least arm you with the knowledge you need so when you talk to pest pros like me, you've already heard something before, you know what's up, and you don't get taken to the cleaners or sold a bill of goods, all right? Pest Dude out.